This is going to be a quick demonstration of search and replace in Captions for a Storyline 360 file. So I'm going to select a Storyline 360 file. There we are. It's a big one. And then I'm going to take a look at all of the captions in the file. So it's quite a long list, as you can see. And I am looking for voltaje. Please forgive my Spanish pronunciation. So let's say that I wanted to, I should show you. Here are all of the instances of the word voltaje in the storyline captions. Let's say I wanted to change that sobre voltaje to sobre potencia, for example. Okay, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiple instances. Replace, there we are. Okay, they've all been replaced. There they are. 6 instances. I could then export that story file with the new changes, or continue editing with speech to text, text to speech, or translation.